kids! Welcome back to my channel. Today I draw a very easy drawing for you. Today I draw a popcorn for you. I like to draw this. First of all, you draw the lines with scale. Draw the box. Wow, that's awesome. I eat this while watching the movie. Yummy, yummy, it's so tasty. Do you like this? Draw the circles to make the corn. That's awesome. I like it to eat. But wait, there is something missing. I like popcorn so much. Do you tell me what the missing is? Let's coloring with me. Coloring is missing. I like coloring. Do you like coloring? The drawing looks so beautiful. My favorite color is red. So I use this in the drawing. Wow, I am enjoying a lot in coloring the drawing. Wow, red color looks so beautiful. It looks so amazing. Yummy, yummy. Use the red in just 3 lines. Use pink color in the remaining 3 lines. Pink is also my favorite color. Wow, that's awesome. Use a yellow color in corns. Do you eat this while watching movie? This is very easy drawing. Amazing drawing. I am enjoying a lot. Now the drawing is ready.